Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and in this tutorial I will show you how to crochet this beautiful hat. Okay, this is a hat uh, for girls 3 years and above. Okay, so to start the tutorial I'm using a 3.5 mm hook, this 3-ply yarn, a 3-ply yarn. You will need a needle for the flower. Look for the one that you can get your yarn through, and if you like, then beads. Okay, and if you can have a tape measure, then that too will be needed. So let's start by making a magic ring. So like that, and take this yarn, hold this tail like this, and like that again. Here you chain 3. You have this ring, pull this a little like that, so it will be easier to work. And in this ring we make 11 double crochets. This chain 3 count as the first one. Okay, so 1, 2, after 11 double crochet, pull this tail and join with a slip stitch on top of this chain 3 and slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 1, pull this loop, and in the same space double crochet. 2 double crochet in every stitch. You will have 24. Okay, see you here. Here you should have 12 of these increases, and then join on top of this with a slip stitch like that, and then here chain 1, pull this loop, and in that same space again make 1 double crochet, 1 in the next, make 2 in the next, 1 and then 2, 1 2 1 2 like this, and you should end with 2 double crochets. So here end with 2 double crochet and join with a slip stitch. In every increasing round, if you count your increases, you should always have 12. Okay, and the next round, chain 1, pull this loop, and we will increase after 2. This is 1 and 2, and increase again with 2 double crochet in the same space. And if we are doing it right, in every increasing round we should end with 2 double crochet in a stitch. So join again and start as usual, and in this round we will increase after 3. Okay, here we increase after 1, here after 2, and in this round we will do it after 3 double crochets. This is 1, 2 and 3, and then on the fourth stitch 2 double crochet in each stitch. Okay, so continue this round again, increase after 3 double crochets. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and like the video for me. I have a video on crochet dress and shrugs and baby cardigans as well. Please do check that. Okay, thank you. So start the round again, and in this round also we will increase. This will be our last increasing round. In this round we will increase after 4 double crochets. 2, 3, 4, and we increase again on the 5th stitch like this, and we continue. So after you join again, we start the round as usual, and we won't be increasing in this round. Okay, just work 1 double crochet in every stitch. One double crochet in every stitch. I'll see you at the end of this round. So after you join, work 2 more rounds with 1 double crochet in every stitch. Okay, we should have 3. This is 1, and work 2 more. Okay, after 2 more rounds with 1 double crochet in every stitch, I will show you how to do this part. We will do the decrease. So here I have 3 rounds, 1, 2, 3, without increasing. So make your double crochets here, and we make 4 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, and here we will decrease. Okay, make a cluster of 2 double crochet, and finish as 1. Again 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we will do a cluster of 2 double crochet like that. Okay, I'll see you at the end of this round. So here, just like the increases, the decreases also we should have 12 of them. Okay, I have 12 decreases, and I end my round with a decrease. So here, use your measurements. If you don't have a tape measure, just compare an old hat, okay, to this new one, and measure that. Okay, it is more than 8 inch. I will do a few more decreases here, so I won't count the decrease. I'll just decrease as much as I need because I'll be using measurements. Okay, so do the double crochets and maybe 2 or 3 decreases in this round, and if you don't need the decrease, then you just can continue to work with 1 double crochet in every stitch. Okay, but I want it to be a little less than 8 inches, so I will do a few decreases I mean. So I made 3 decrease, and I will measure, and this is the size that I want. Okay, and in this next round, just don't chain one. Okay, just yarn over, and in the same stitch make half double crochet, and we are going to do half double crochet in every stitch. Okay, half double crochet in every stitch. I will see you here. So here, join not in this space, join on top of this half double crochet. like that, and then yarn over again. Make your half double crochet not in this space but a space behind, like that. Okay, and you continue again with one half double crochet in every stitch, and when you join in this space here. Okay, we have 3 rounds of this. I have 3 rounds, and this hat is 18 centimeters. Okay, finish this, and then after 3 rounds cut your yarn, but not too short. Okay, I will show you how to do the flowers. I hope you like the video and thank you for watching.